How to hide friends on Facebook. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how you can hide your friend list on Facebook. The initial step involves opening your Facebook application and making sure that you're logged into your specific account. Then after, navigate to the menu, accessing your settings, scroll down to the audience and visibility, tap on the followers and public content option, and locate the friends option. Primarily, you need to disable this feature, especially if you maintain a public profile, by transitioning from a page to a regular account, revisiting settings, and adjusting how people can discover and contact you, and finally setting your friend list visibility to only me. You can effectively secure your privacy. So this is how you can hide friends on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.